At ASTM International, there's an incredible amount of collaboration that occurs within the organization and among partner organizations. Certainly our Memorandum of Understanding partners who represent either national standards bodies or regional standards bodies around the world, primarily in transitioning economies.
And we are an organization that welcomes the people, welcomes our partners, welcomes new strategies. ASTM is open to bring everyone to the table and welcome all to have conversations.
We've demonstrated all 6 principles of the World Trade Organization, technical barriers to trade. There are principles like development dimension, other principles like consensus, balance, relevance, coherence.
Increasingly, once we educate the stakeholders more about our standards development process, how we adhere to the WTO TBT principles for international standards development, how we have a global reach, how we have 30,000 members from across the world, how the OECD calls us international, that education really helps to change mindsets.
The OECD is the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. They decided to publish a case study of ASTM International, highlighting the work that ASTM does and how ASTM International, with its people, its process, its model, provides a platform for experts to write standards that help governments keep pace with the private sector and address a lot of challenges.
Relationship building is very important to the work that we do. Global Cooperation offers a number of programs where we bring experts from our MOU partners to our technical committee meetings to learn about our standards process. It's a great benefit to them, and it helps to improve the capacity of the partner when they return.
Capacity building, not just in terms of procedural training sessions, but also other extended programs like standards experts and technical visitor grant programs. We make sure that we make resources available like standards, our expertise, and other resources that we do have within ASTM.
ASTM is a very well-esteemed organization with a long history, and it's well known not only in the US but in Europe and internationally.
We count already more than 9,000 citations, meaning that the countries are using our standards because we are touching relevant issues that are challenging our times. Sustainability, climate change, plastic, water solution, efficiency.
We are very open, we are very transparent, we are very welcoming. So come on in, be part of the standards development process. You will have a voice at the table.
And that is the most important thing. Make your voice be heard.
You as an individual may come from a very different environment. You may come from a very different climate environment, regulatory environment, trade opportunity, and you have the ability to link directly to standards and provide input. You have a connection where you can ask questions and receive feedback.
And take advantage of learning from us about not only our standards development process, but the technical aspects of our standards, how a standard works, but why it was written the way it was written. And so it's a great advantage to be a member of ASTM.
Ajudar o nosso mundo a trabalhar melhor.
帮助我们的世界更好地工作。
Lavorare insieme per un mondo migliore.
Ayudando a nuestro mundo a funcionar mejor.
Helping
Helping our world work better.